Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to cancel your Apple TV subscription on your iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right to it. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name at the very top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on Subscriptions. After a few seconds, you'll see a list of all your subscriptions. At the top, you'll find your active subscriptions, the ones you're currently paying for. Below that are your inactive subscriptions, which have already expired. Now, select the Apple TV Plus subscription in the active list. On this screen, you'll see all the details about your subscription. Look for and tap on Cancel Subscription, or in some cases, it might say Cancel Free Trial like in this example. Before you proceed, read through the information about the cancellation carefully. It will tell you when your access will end and any other important details. Once you're ready, click on Cancel Subscription. And after a brief moment, your Apple TV Plus subscription will be successfully canceled. Now that we've done this, you can exit out of the Settings app and continue using your iPhone as you normally would. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.